How to add decals in Need for Speed. If you want to give your ride a bold new look, here's how to add decals in Need for Speed on your phone. Open your Need for Speed application. From the main menu, you have to head on to the mode shop. Select your car, which we want to put decals on it. Then tap on Garage. Then you have to go to the decals section. For me, it's not available yet, but in your case, you might have the option of selection for the decals. You just have to choose that option. Then select from the tons of shapes, logo and designs. Tap 1 to add it to your car. Use your fingers to move, rotate or resize the decal. You can place it on the hood, side or roof. When you are happy, then tap say your car now has its own custom look. And that's how you add decals in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.